Good afternoon and welcome to Manchester, Michigan. Alrighty, about to go for a ride, so time to get kitted up. And now we need to switch to GoPro. Alright, time to go now. Alrighty, afternoon ride. It's a touch warm right now, it's like 20 something degrees. Alrighty, quick 40k's done, fair bit of road work there. Now we're going to do some barriers.
Top of the evening to you.
Alrighty, good ride this afternoon. It was quite warm, it was like summer, we're in summer kit again. Just about to do some work on the bikes downstairs and yeah, get them ready for the weekend again. Bike's all done, ready for tomorrow. See you then.